welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of Jingle Bell Ball. Let's go. So we're walking around trying to find the press entrance, but we can't find it anywhere, so hopefully we'll be there in time. Update, we still haven't found the entrance. Not joking, still not found it. It's been about 10 minutes now. Looking for a G. Have we found F? I don't know. So we think we found it. It's quite quiet down here though, but we can hear, I don't know if you can hear, like there's more music coming on that way, so I think we're in the right direction. Yes, and we found it. I'll show you. Oh, media and ball. We're in. Finally, and most importantly, we found the snack station. See it? Anyone? Paparazzi? Paparazzi for me? No? I don't want to be too loud, but the celebs are coming. As we're at Jingle Bell Ball, can you tell me as many words as you can think of with the word ball in 20 seconds?
But basketball, baseball, bowling ball,
bouncy ball, rugby ball, football, softball, tennis ball.
Football, paintball, basketball, golf ball.
So football, baseball, I'm stuck already.
Beach ball, football, dance ball, jingle bell ball.
And then can we just get again what your most embarrassing time you ever tumbled was?
It's okay, don't worry. Was actually doing sound check, for Summertime Ball this year. It was raining really hard, it slipped, no one really saw, but it hurt. But yeah.
Luckily, I haven't fell over yet, but if it does happen in the future, I'm probably going to cry after.
Not on stage or anything like that?
No, but I am very clumsy, so watch out, guys.
2 days ago was pretty nice. I was very late for a shoot, so I got the tube and I sprinted up to, I've got this really long like off-white coat that goes to my ankles, sprinted up and I fell on the floor, my purse flew over there, my bag flew over there. Someone was like, "Is that Raye?"
Are you okay?
I'm like, "No." But it was fine, it went fine. I laughed it off.
How much of a baller are you?
I bought a car.
Yeah, how much?
How much? I mean, it wasn't cheap. It was my first car, but it wasn't nothing too ballery. It was a Mercedes, so I was lucky. But it was my one treat to myself.
For my birthday, I flew my whole team to Paris, put us in a fire hotel, and we had the best time eating fancy dinner and living our best life.
And if you looked into a crystal ball right now, what would you hope to see?
I would hope to see world peace.
I would hope to see an album next year from myself. That's what I would hope.
And that's a wrap. I've had such a great day, met so many cool celebs, but now I'm gonna go get in my pajamas. So, see ya! Bye!